Hello everyone, this is Satish here. Today I will discuss about how to create a Facebook pixel. So here I have already created few of the Facebook pixels here. So basically I'll be creating a simple Facebook pixel using like you have to copy paste some code in your application. So in this case I am using a React.js application. So first of all I have already created few of the Facebook pixel. So as you can see in this the one which I have created here, there are events being captured here, and basically how the events are being captured I'll discuss later. So first, how to create that, you have to click on the plus button here. So events manager, under that you have to click that plus icon. So I have already created few and I have not set up properly, so I will quickly walk you through that instead of creating a new one. So this is the one which I have created, but I haven't configured it yet. So once you basically create a new one, it first ask you which one do you want to create, like which you want to select basically here. So I have selected the basic one, that the meta pixel here. So once you go to the connect, I have, so in my case I'm using the manually adding the code to my website. So install manually, so you will basically have to complete some steps here, like create the pixel. Here you have to give your, I guess I don't remember exactly, but you have to give the domain of your website, then install the code. So this code you have to copy and paste it to your website. I'll show you later where to go, where I have actually copied and pasted. And means advanced matching, if you want to get some more info, you can go and turn this option. And the event code I will let you know later, like how to add the event codes. Basically there is like many ways you can add the event code, and you have to verify your domain. So you have to basically, the domain which we have provided on the create pixel, you have to verify that domain. So I guess I have already verified. Yes, this is already verified. There are few others as well which are not verified. So anyway, moving on, you have to finally configure the web events. So this I have already configured for my other pixel, so I will quickly show you that first. Yes, okay, so this is the Facebook pixel which I have created. So it's very pretty simple, you just have to follow the steps and it will be created. Okay, so and to set up the events, basically you have to, okay, so before going to the events part, let me show you the where exactly I have copied the course. So in my main index.js file I have copied the script tag. So this script you will get, and also you will get the meta tag in one of the steps. You will get this meta tag as well. So you have to basically copy these two parts here. So for some security reasons I have removed the content basically and provided xxxx. You can have a proper value over here. So this is the place where I basically copied, and this is like the Facebook event. Basically you can provide what all the events you want to capture here directly here, or you can also go and provide at the place where you actually wanted to. So coming back to the Facebook pixel, uh, yes, so these are the events basically. So how the events has been configured, so let me take you to my website first. So this is one of the dummy website I have created. So this is my landing page basically. So whenever I land into this page, there will be one event will be fired. Okay, and that event I am basically capturing here as a lead landing page. So whenever someone visit this URL, I will be basically capturing the event, like how many times this page has been visited. I will get the information from here. So I can go and check the details over here as well. So these are the details. And the second one is that once I click on this button, so basically I'll be landed to a different page, which is a sign up page. So in the sign up page, whenever someone gives the phone number and click on the submit button, I will be also capturing that event as well, like how many times basically a user has landed to my page and actually gone for the sign up process. And later there is one more event in my sign up flow. Basically once you provide the phone number, you have to give the OTP as well. So you have to verify the OTP and all those things. So those events I am basically capturing. Okay, so for that, it's basically sign up, phone number entered. Okay, so once the phone number is entered, how many times, and then I have to verify the OTP as well. So this is the OTP verification part. So 20 times this event has been called. Okay, so this way we can go and look into uh, this Facebook pixel event manager and basically go and see how many times the events has been captured. So coming back to the point how we can configure the events basically, so in my case, as I said, you can directly go and copy paste it here. There are some default like the lead and all. You have to basically track all the events here. So in my case, I have not provided over here. I have basically on the pages where I want those events, I have created that. So 1 second. So I as you can see, I have created a common file where I have just captured all the events which I basically want to capture, like the sign up, the OTP verification, phone number, landing page, and the KYC upload. So once the user enter the phone number and OTP, and then they have to verify the KYC as well. So this is my application basically. So yeah, so coming back to the landing page, so this is the page basically. Sorry, let me go back. Yeah, so this is the page basically. On the landing page, I'm basically capturing the event. So how exactly I'm doing, basically using the user effect, I'm basically importing this part from the Facebook event, the common JS file which I have created. I export it from here and import it here, and basically calling this is pretty simple. You don't have to do anything. And the second part is that once I click on the submit button, I have to capture the event. So in my case, I am using basically Saga design pattern. So in my React application, I'm using Saga. So in the Saga, basically I have once the phone number has been entered and I get the response from the API, after getting the response, I'm basically capturing this event. So after that, there are OTP, KY verification, and all those things are also involved. So those those you will able to figure it out in your application as well. Like two ways to basically add in the pages where you want to actually add, or directly on the main page if you want to capture all the events. You can basically track all the events here as well. It all depends to you. Okay, and yeah, that's it pretty much about like what I wanted to discuss on this. So it's pretty easy to create the Facebook pixel. I hope this will be helpful to someone who is setting up this thing for their website or the project. So yeah, thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.